The potato peeler can peel this.
Let's not forget where we're from, for show us the way to go. You're the wind, leading me through all little things. You lifted me when I was down. Know you have me standing on higher ground. Lord, watch over shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, for show us the way to go.
Yo, I'ma get some new gadget when I want to try out, you know. I get some new gadget when I want to try out, people. This now work out. Barely I work out. Now work out. Now work out.
Let's not forget where we're from.
It's not working out, chap. Boss. Hold on a minute, too. Now work out. Ah, that's a shot. Rascal, one more banana. Check it in the sink. How much dirt I come off or something.
If Johnny's by my side, I won't hide. No, I won't hide. Boom, 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 set you down. Boom, 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 set you down. Boom, 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 set you down. Boom, boom. If John is standing by my side, then why should I be afraid? Pestilence that falling by night.
Jah is standing by my side.
Then why should I be afraid? Pestilence that falling by night. Your best you try to harm my life. They meant to kill, but I love you still. 'Cause you are here to make prophecy fulfilled. It's your will. No weapon that form against me. Disaster shall not be. Divine protection shall set me. Standing by my side, then why should I be afraid of a pestilence that falls by night? Standing by my side, then why should I be afraid of the pestilence that falls by night? The gates of hell can never prevail. From I know Jah, he never fail. What you think I'm gonna do? Keep up now? No, no, not go my phone's attack and I just smile. They don't seem to understand my style. My confidence is so high, high. In a Baba Jah, is standing by my side. And then why should I be afraid of the pestilence that falling by night? Jah is standing by my side. And then why should I be afraid of the pestilence that falling by night? Boom, 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 this a tune now. Boom, 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 this a tune now. Boom, 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 this a tune now. Boom, boom, boom. So talk your laugh your laugh. That won't shiver my heart. His secret tabernacle will die. Guess your guess and test your test. That is in your own interest to find out the power of the Most High, Most High, Most High. Jah is standing by my side. And then why should I be afraid Why so trust me?
Boy, tap your life, my team.
You don't have to break down my door. I'm all alone. Come inside and you will see. There's no one here but me. Told you I'll soon be over.
See, I'm never nice still, bro.
Are you satisfied? Why love is from your eyes? I'm all alone, sweet. No, I was telling a lie. Are you satisfied? No one's with me tonight. Only just and he's always by my side. Girl, you know I love you so. I can't hurt you. No, 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 no. Want you to do what I say. I won't desert you nowhere. You will overstand that double. Glory, hallelujah. Hallowed be thy name. Oh, Most High God. Glory be to Most High God. Hallowed be thy name. King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power,
Alright.
and reign.
You see, most people, them don't know.
And yet to come.
Them don't know. Especially the people, especially the pastor from them. Especially the people them where diabetic, them don't know. But you can soak, if you don't want something salty, you can salt the pot when you cook the thing in, and you can soak them in a salt water. Yes, what I say? Them here, instead of the diabetic people, instead of put salt itself in a pot, you can soak them in a salt water before you throw them in a pot. Me not do that. Me not diabetic, so I just salt the pot and throw them in. You see, you have to put in the yam first because the banana easier to cook. Maybe I throw to Irish night same way. You see what I say? Yeah, I have to salt the pot first. Check. What? 3 restriction, you know? Yeah, high blood pressure, my man. But clot, what am I do? Yeah.
Got me.